Hello everyone, welcome to GigaBits. In this video, we're going to talk about Nobara and Bazzite, two Linux-based operating systems that are quickly becoming favorites among gamers and content creators. Let's start with Nobara Linux. As you can see on screen, it has a modern, clean design. The latest versions 41 and 42 bring noticeable improvements in Mesa, Vulkan, and NVIDIA drivers, and the distro has now evolved into a rolling release, meaning you'll always stay up to date automatically. Nobara is designed as an all-in-one solution for gaming and content creation, making it ideal for gamers, streamers, and creative users. It's known for being ready to use right after installation, offering a smooth experience without the typical Linux setup hassles. Basically, you install it and you're good to go, whether you want to play, edit, or stream. Now let's move to Bazzite, which has a slightly different focus. This distro aims directly at pure gaming performance and is specially optimized for handheld devices and console-style PCs that support HDMI outputs. It features a console mode, a custom optimized kernel, and driver tweaks to boost gaming performance. As you can see on screen, several games already run efficiently and smoothly on Bazzite. It also uses an atomic update system, meaning updates are more secure and less likely to break your setup, perfect for gamers who just want a stable experience. Reports show that its performance is extremely solid, especially for users already familiar with Linux gaming environments. Final thoughts. If you're mainly a desktop user with a powerful GPU who also streams or creates content, Nobara will probably suit you best. But if you prefer a console-style setup, handheld gaming, and a more plug-and-play experience, Bazzite is your winner for 2025. Both distros rely on the broader Linux gaming ecosystem, which still faces challenges with anti-cheat compatibility and driver support, but both are pushing Linux gaming forward in exciting ways.